Okay, I am Dr. Shashank Doshi. I am an endocrinologist from Mumbai, and with us we have a living legend of diabetes in the world, Professor V. Mohan, and Professor Anjana, who is a world researcher in diabetes and one of the foremost researchers from India. So, Madam Anjana, congratulations once again. As I said, you are the foremost researcher now in this space, and you are future of India. And you know, 40% of Indian population is young, and you represent the young brigade, and you represent a very mature brigade of young mature India. So how do you interpret the prevalence of diabetes, and how do you see the trends across India on diabetes in different geographies? Because India is a very diverse country, a lot of cultures, and you have actually gone and traveled the neck and breadth of India, 700 districts in India. Ma'am has gone to every state, every union territory to map this study personally, and she has personally supervised this entire study for Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Center and ICMR. So how do you see this heterogeneity and diversity? What are the common things and what are the unusual things?
Thank you, sir. That's a really important question. So India is diverse in everything, right? Whether it's climate, geography, taste, language, whatever. And so the diabetes prevalence is diverse as well. If you look at the highest prevalence states, they're mostly in the southern region, and some part, there's Punjab, Haryana with a little bit of high prevalence there. But the highest prevalence would be some parts of the north and most of the south. The lower prevalence states are in the central part of India, the Bihar and adjacent states. That's where the lowest prevalence is today. But the interesting thing there is, when you look at, that is diabetes. If you look at pre-diabetes, they have the highest pre-diabetes number. So we all know that those with pre-diabetes, about 60% of people will convert to diabetes within a 2 to 5 year period. So when you see such a high prevalence of pre-diabetes in the states that have low diabetes prevalence, what does it tell you? It tells you that all these people are waiting to convert in the next few years to come. So that is a very important point. The other point that we have here is the urban-rural differences that we have. In diabetes, urban areas have much more diabetes than rural areas. Actually, they have double the prevalence of diabetes, but in pre-diabetes, they're equal. So again, here's the problem. 70% of India lives in her villages. So even a 1% increase in prevalence translates to absolute numbers going in millions. So therein lies the problem in rural. As it increases, the burden on the healthcare system, your providers, families, individuals, all of this, it's definitely a problem.
Thank you so much, ma'am.